Hi everyone, this is me again, your Teacher Lei, and this time in our week 8 lesson in Mathematics 8, we'll be discussing proofs. And of course, before we proceed directly with that topic, we need a certain prerequisite topics, okay, which is all about this objective, wherein you students are expected to use inductive or deductive reasoning in an argument. So with that, let's have first an activity, okay? And this activity, look carefully at the figures and then you just need to think of what figure will be next, okay? Number one, with that figure, um, it is a square. Inside the square, we have 6 triangles, and the shaded triangle here is the upper left. And the second figure, shaded triangle, is the triangle in the upper right, and then the third figure, the lower right. And what will be the figure? Okay, what is the next figure? Do you have your answer? Okay, very good. The answer is this triangle wherein the shaded one is the triangle at the lower left of the figure. Okay, that's good. Very good so far. How about second number? Study the pattern. Okay, and then draw the next figure. So if we have one dot in the first figure, the next figure is a figure with 3 dots. Okay, we just add 2. And then for the third figure, from 1 dot to 3 dots to 6 dots, meaning we add 3. Okay, again, we add 2, then we add 3. And of course, the fourth figure will be how many dots? Very good, 10. Meaning we add 4 dots. Okay? So you get it correctly. That's how we add another figure, how we conclude from the given pattern, from the given examples. Okay? We come up with the next figure. How about this number 3? My mathematics teacher is strict. Oh, my previous mathematics teacher was strict. Oh, is that true to you? Me? No. How about Tita's mathematics teacher is strict too? And then Tita's previous mathematics teacher was also strict. Now, with these 4 statements, what can you say about mathematics teachers? Oh, am I strict? Okay, what is your answer? Just based from the given statements. Yes. We can say that mathematics teachers are strict because of the 4 statements given, okay, or provided. But generally, yes. Yes? No. It depends, right? So, as for me, of course, I disagree because I'm not strict. You know that. Okay, but anyway, we can conclude that mathematics teachers are strict because of the statements. Okay? Next, number 4. 1 times 10 is 10. 2 times 10 is 20. 3 times 10 is 30. 5 times 10 is 50. 24 times 10 is 240. And what is 2,345 times 10? From the pattern, we know we're just adding 0 from the number, okay, that we multiplied to 10, right? Or meaning that 2,345, we just need to add 0. So the answer will be 23,450. Okay, very good. Let's continue. Number 5. Every time Jackie visits her doctor, she receives excellent services. With this, she believes that. What can you conclude with this? Every time Jackie visits her doctor, she receives excellent services. So with this, she believes that. So this is very opinionated, right? So As long as your answer is based from the given statement, okay, that we assume to be right, so we can conclude with a certain point. Let's say for me, I with this, she believes that her doctor gives excellent services, right? Because she receives excellent services. But we cannot say that with this, she believes that Jackie is excellent. No, the doctor is excellent. Yes, we can, right? Because the doctor, if the doctor is excellent enough, then of course he may give or excellent services, right? So that's it. Okay, okay. From all those five that you have uh, experienced or encountered, that is the so-called inductive reasoning. Okay, we're able to come up with with a conclusion given that there are specific examples, or so that we arrive at the general rule, generalizations, or conclusions. Okay, and that is inductive reasoning. Again, uses specific examples to arrive at a general rule, generalizations, or conclusions. Take note of that. Okay, next. Next, let's have another activity. You just need to supply the conclusion. Okay, here's the statement. Filipinos are hospitable. Now, Bonifacio is a Filipino. From these general statements, okay, from these statements, what can you conclude? Alright, very good. Bonifacio is hospitable. Since Filipinos are hospitable and he is a Filipino, then Bonifacio is hospitable. That is our conclusion. Okay? This is a different reasoning. Okay? Another one. If points are collinear, then they lie on the same line. Now, points R, M, and N are collinear. What can you conclude? Alright, our conclusion is points R, M, and N lie on the same line since they are collinear. Okay? Let's continue with the third example. Or here. A quadrilateral is a polygon with four sides. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral. So we can conclude that a parallelogram is a polygon with four sides. Very good. Let's continue. Smoking can cause cancer. And Thomas smokes. So what can we conclude? Is it Thomas can cause cancer? That's wrong, of course. Definitely Thomas cannot cause cancer. He's a human. And it said in the statement, smoking can cause cancer. It is not Thomas, but smoking. So that's wrong. How about Thomas is cancer? Again, obviously it's not. Because Thomas is not a disease. He is the person who is possible to get the cancer or the disease. Okay? Also, I'm not referring to Mobile Legends, wherein a player is considered cancer since he's playing at low skill level or using profanity, negative player, or what. So it's not about that. So our answer in this one will be Thomas can have cancer. Okay, since he smokes. Okay, that's it. Lastly, an angle is acute if its measure is between 0 degree and 90 degree. Between, take note. So an angle B is acute. So what can we conclude? Yes, angle B measures between 0 degree and 90 degrees. And then again, what you have experienced is the so-called deductive reasoning. Okay, wherein it uses basic and or general statements to arrive at conclusion. Let us differentiate the two. Okay, here it is. As you can see, deductive reasoning uses specific examples. Okay, examples to arrive at a general rule, generalizations, or conclusions. Unlike deductive reasoning, or while deductive reasoning uses basic or general statements to arrive at conclusion. Okay? So, inductive, specific examples to conclusions or general rule. Deductive reasoning, general statement to conclusion. Okay? Or let's say to specific examples. Okay? That is the difference between the two. And with this, for your additional performance points, okay, if you want additional performance points, uh, answer the following. Okay? Follow the instruction, which is draw a conclusion from each given situation and identify the kind of reasoning used. Here, take note ha, you will get performance task additional points. In number 1, 5, 10, 15, 20, the next number is blank, and then identify it if the reasoning used is inductive or deductive. The same with number 2, coplanar points are points on the same plane, x, y, z, are coplanar. Therefore, what is your conclusion and what is the reasoning used? Okay? 3, a regular polygon is equilateral. Then Belen is a regular pentagon. Therefore, blank. A child's teacher in preschool was a female. In his grades 1 and 2, his teachers were both female. Then the child may say that blank. What is your conclusion? And then the reasoning used. Filipinos are a peace-loving people. Julia is a Filipino, therefore blank. Okay. Now, I think, yes, this is the content of this video. You must wait for the next video, which is entitled Law of Detachment and Law of Syllogism. What is these two laws about? Okay? In the next video, you will learn about it. That will be all, and goodbye.